Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Lawn Company. We're at Texas Motor Speedway today for the Good Guys McGuire All-Star Meetup. We've got James here with Airlift. He's going to show us his products.
Awesome. Well, again, I'm James with Airlift, and I am super excited to be here with Earl Lawn supporting out in the event. What we have today is just a small list of what we have to offer for the towing community. We fix a problem. A lot of times when your truck is sagging in the back, it's not safe to tow that way, and what we do is we correct it. We have airbags that basically fit into the back of the truck, so when you put a trailer or load in the back, it lifts it back up to where you're riding level. What we really want to focus on is our Pro Series, which is basically the best of the best that you can get. It has billet aluminum end caps, and you can only get it at an authorized installer. So super awesome, takes care of every, pretty much every issue that you have when you're towing and you have an uneven load in the back.
So these are airbags, right? They air up and down, they compress
yes, sir.
up and down?
They compress up and down. And speaking of compressors, nice segue, we have our control system here. It's our easy mount, wireless air, it's dual path. We also have single path. It just makes it more convenient instead of having to jump out of the truck with an air chuck. You can use the remote to do it from anywhere. It's Bluetooth, so you have 20, 30 foot of range. It's very, very convenient.
Awesome, James. We appreciate you showing us these products today, and check them out at airlift.com.
Yes, sir. Airliftcompany.com is the website. Go in, check it out. Love to see you.
You might have seen their commercial, You Don't Know Squat. It's pretty hilarious. So thanks again, James.
Not a problem, Nathan.